it's the third episode of Healthy Living. Expensive? Is it or is it not? So, today, thank you so much. My name is Dala Ogufere, by the way, and I am super excited to have you here talking about healthy living. This is Diary of a Stay-at-Home Mom. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you should do so. We'll be taking our conversations in a different dimension, different way, direction, and I hope that you're going to be blessed by it. I hope that you are going to be transformed, because I'm going to be dropping these nuggets as often as I can so that you all will learn a thing or two. If you have any questions, please feel free to chat me, feel free to drop them in the chat box, and I'll be so happy to help. All right, so from the last episode I talked about how this conversation that I had with someone, and I shared briefly the last episode also about someone that talked went to the hospital and all that, seeing healthy living from the perspective of someone that is in the hospital. And I feel like it will give you a great perspective to the healthy lifestyle, because like I said in the last video, you don't want to be on that other rung of the ladder. You want to be on the healthy side, and everything that you need to know, you need to literally look out for it. You need to watch out for it. You need to be in the community of people that will help you live healthy. Okay, so today's listen, I'm going to just wrap up this gist and talk about something else. If you want me to talk more about this topic, I might just change the topic and we'll go on from there. Okay, so I basically wanted to share why people see healthy living as expensive, and what I did before to come out of the condition that I was in. Because if you think that it's expensive, then all you need to do is just to go and check the people that are sick, people that are in the hospital, people that are begging and trying to be healthy, all right, trying to be whole, trying to just let the sickness and the illness go away. All you need to do is just to go to the hospital and check and see for yourself. All right, so that said, I basically feel like the reason why people think that healthy living is expensive is because they have not seen things from a different perspective. And if you followed the Heal Hide Fitness Virtual Summit, kudos to you. If you didn't, please go and check that. Go and look for where the video is and get it, because the speakers that were brought up were fantastic. They killed it, right? They killed it. So what I noted here I noted these things down, and I felt like the reason why most people think it's expensive is because they think that you literally have to, as a mom, I'm just giving an example now, a mom in the house is the only one that is going on this fitness journey, and every other person is eating what they feel like eating, right? But once you create a structure, create a plan, create something that will help you bring the whole family on board, right? Then and only then will you be able to see it from a different light, okay? It might look like it's expensive at the beginning, because when you want to buy whole wheat bread that you feel like your family would not like, I'm going to be sharing as we go along. Actually, I think I don't know if I'm going to do it here, but I think I might do it in my Flexi Mom Coach YouTube page, because I'll be doing sharing food videos, food vlogs as I go along, as I'm inspired to, as you guys encourage me to. So let me know in the comment section what kind of food blogs that you would like to see, vlogs I think they call it. So that I'm going to show you breakfast tips. I'm going to show you what you can actually eat at home, what we eat together at home. The whole idea is to create a structure so that it's not something that only the mommy is doing, but the whole family is getting on board. And I think maybe the next video I'm going to do is how to bring the whole family on board this journey. How to bring the whole family on board your fitness journey. Let me quickly type that out so that we don't forget. So how to bring the whole family on board the fitness journey will be our next video. So before that, what I was saying was that creating the structure, the most important thing is ensuring that you are not the only one going on that journey. You take your time to educate the family. If not, it's going to frustrate you. And I know that there are different different strokes for different folks, right? And it will be it will test your patience. It will test everything that you are, and that's the work that a lot of people are running away from. But it will help you to become more mindful. Trust me, it will help you to become more mindful, and that's basically one trait that you need to be a very, very, very present parent, right? Being a present parent, a parent that is in the moment. You know, I'm always talking about mindful parenting because I feel like everything is interwoven in this thing. And basically, that's what I'm going to share with you today because there's a lot to talk about. There's really a lot to talk about, and this is why I do what I'm doing. And I hope that this conversation, we tend to have this conversation more. And please let me know what your thoughts are, what you feel like. Oh, do you feel like this is the reason why you have not been able to embark on your fitness journey, because you feel like it's going to be, it's really, you've been doing it by yourself. You've been trying to do it alone, and you know, you're eating food that is separate from every other person and all of that. So let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are and what you would like to know, and I'll just be sharing from my own point of view how it has helped me, to how bringing the whole family on board has really helped me. And I'm going to share something with the sisters, the single sisters, what you can do now, right? That's what I'm going to share again in the next video. So yeah, that's, I think with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you that healthy living is not expensive. If you're still doubting it, just do what I said you should do in the video. So thank you very much. I hope you had fun. I did. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.